Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Learn Maths Higa Imibale. Hope you doing fine. Okay, here we have an integral question, which is integrate from 0 to pi over 2 a reciprocal of 1 plus tan power 3 of x dx. Because it's multiple choice and we've been given the answers, we want to choose the correct one among these four answers. I hope everyone knows it's too long to integrate this when boundaries are not given. But here the boundaries are given, that's why I'm going to show you the shortest way to integrate this. Okay? Don't leave without subscribing. Your shares, your likes are very crucial. Let's look at this. Okay? Because you have, let's say this is f of x, and we need to know, let's go I, 0, pi over 2, a reciprocal of 1 plus tan power 3x dx. Okay, let's have this. And we use the fact that fx is equal to f of pi over 2 minus x. Hope this is clear. Okay. So, f pi over 2 minus x is equal to, let's be fx, it will be 1 over 1 plus tan power 3 pi over 2 minus x, and because tan of pi over 2 minus x is equal to cotan x, this is to say all of these are equal, these stuffs are equal, means this is equal to this. So, I, which is integral 0 pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus tan 3 power 3x dx. We have another I, which is pi over 2, 1 over 1 plus tan power 3 of pi over 2 minus x dx. And this is the same as an integral from 0 to pi over 2 of, because the tangent of pi over 2 minus x is equal to cotan x. This will be 1 over 1 plus cot raised to 3 x dx. So, summing these two stuffs, summing them up, we'll have 2I, which is equal to the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus tan raised to 3 x dx, plus an integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus cot raised to 3 x dx. These two stuffs will lead us to the solution of our question. To I here, we know that the tangent function is a reciprocal of cotangent. The cotangent is also a reciprocal of tangent. That's why this is a reciprocal of tan x for tangent. We take this here to reverse. So here is 0 pi over 2 because the integral and the boundaries are the same. We sum these terms. It's 1 over 1 plus tan power 3x plus 1 over 1 plus cot power 3x dx. 2 here are equal to integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 1 over 1 plus tangent power 3x plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over tangent power 3x dx, because this is the cot for 3 of x. So here 2I are equal to integrate from 0 to pi over 2 1 over 1 plus tan power 3x plus, let's put on common denominator is, we'll be having tan power 3 of x over 1 plus tan power 3x dx. Here 2I are equal to integral 0 from 0 to pi over 2 of, here is 1 plus tan power 3x over 1 plus tan power 3x dx. We see that this is 1. That's why our question is easier. Integral 2I are equal to the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of dx, because this is 1. This is equal to x, but with the boundaries pi over 2 and 0. As you know, when you are given the boundaries here, you take this here and negate this here. So 2I are equal to, taking this here is pi over 2 minus 0, taking 0 here. 2I are equal to pi over 2. This is to say I is equal to pi over 4. The given integral with those boundaries is pi over 4. So the correct answer here is C. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share our video to others to promote this channel. Thank you for watching.